watching this video from justtutors.com. In this video, we are going to learn about expressing non-terminating recurring numbers as rational numbers. But before moving to our today's topic, we'll try a warm-up question. Here is a warm-up question for you. To try this warm-up question, you can pause the video. So basically in this question, you need to represent 5 over 6 as decimal expansion. So to represent 5 over 6 as decimal expansion, we can use division method. Now we'll look at how many 5 goes into 6. I'm sorry, that would be how many 6 goes into 5. So this is 0 here because it's 0. Then we put the decimal and a 0 here. Now we'll look at how many 6 goes into 50. So that would be 8 here, which is 48. Now 50 take away 48, which is 2. Now we'll look at how many 6 goes into 2, which is not possible, so we put a 0. Now how many 6 goes into 20, which is 3, and 18 here. Now it's 2 again, then it would be 0. Now it's 3 again, and as you can see that it will keep on repeating. So we can say that 5 over 6 is 0.8333, or we can say this would be 0.83, and we can put a bar over it like this. Now we move ahead and we're going to learn about expressing non-terminating recurring decimal numbers as rational number. So the question is 3.333, and we need to write it as a rational number, and as we know that rational number can be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0. So we need to represent 3.33333 as in the form of p by q. So let x is equals to 3.33333. Now we times this equation both the sides by 10. So this would be 10x equals 33.33333, and so on. So we can write it as 10x equals 30 plus 3.333. So whenever solving this number, which is on the right hand side, try to break up the number in such a way that we can put the value of x here like this. So this would be 10x equal 30 plus x. So this is 10x minus x equals 30 plus x minus x, which is 9x equals 30, which is x is 30 over 9, which is equals to 10 over 3. So we can represent 3.3333 as 10 over 3, which is a rational number. Now we move ahead and we are going to learn how to represent 0.35555 in the form of p by q. So we'll follow the steps again. X is equals to 0.3555 and so on. Now we multiply both the sides by 10, so that would be 10x equals 3.555 and so on. And we can write 3.5 as 3.2 and this as 0.355 and so on. So if we add these two numbers, we'll get this, but this is same as x. Now by substituting the value, we'll get it as 10x equals 3.2 plus x, which is same as 9x equals 3.2. So this will give x as 3.2 over 9, and we can further simplify it as 32 over 90, which is 16 over 45. So we can represent 0.35555 as 16 over 45, which is a rational number. Now we'll try one more question, and it is 0.1818 and so on. So as you can see that two numbers are repeating. So now we need to multiply it by 100. So 100x equal 18.1818 and so on. So this is 18 plus 0.181818 and so on. So as 0.1818 is equals to x. Now while substituting the value, we get 100x equal 18 plus x, which is same as 99x equals 18. So x is 18 over 99, which we can write it in the simplest form as 2 over 11. So the answer is 2 over 11. So in this way we can represent non-terminating decimal numbers as rational numbers. Now we move ahead, and here are some practice questions for you. To try these practice questions, you can pause the video and you can match the answers from here, and I must say that you should pat your back as you're working really good in expressing non-terminating recurring decimal numbers as rational numbers. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.